Hi everyone, Alexa here from the Homestead.com, and today I am redecorating the front porch after Christmas for the winter season. Usually I don't do a whole separate winter decor on our porch because, quite honestly, the Christmas greens just tend to stick around throughout January and February, but because they were looking really quite dead and they were getting messy, I wanted to clean up the dead ones, save what I could, and just redo the porch a little bit to be really wintry and welcoming. Of course, winter is a very cold time, and right now we have a lot of snow, which is really fun. So I really just wanted the porch to be warm and welcoming, like someone could walk by and say that they wanted to come in for a glass of hot cocoa. The first thing I did was I pulled out some logs. We have some firewood logs, and I have some fake white logs, which are really pretty for decorative purposes. I put those around the door. Next, I salvaged what I could with the Christmas greens that we had. A lot of the pine needles are still really quite beautiful and fine. They're a little dry, but because we've had so much rain and snow, they do really well and they can probably last throughout the rest of January. So I just gathered all of the fresh greens that we still had and I put them in different containers. I really like to stick with natural looking decorations, like very woodsy. We live near the mountains, and so it's really easy to get pine and fresh greenery right from our mountains. We also were really lucky to go to a wedding this December, and we helped with the cleanup of the wedding, and we took home this massive garland that had a bunch of pine and eucalyptus on it, and we strung that around our front porch. We wouldn't normally have such a gorgeous garland, I wish, but they would be so expensive. So we got this really nice one from the wedding that we went to, and we were really lucky. So I'm actually going to leave that up. I might take it down in a few weeks. Next, I wanted to decorate our bench with a basket. I put some greens in the basket, I put some pine cones, and I draped some small kitchen tea towels over the top of the basket to make it look just a little more texturized and kind of warm. I have a outdoor pillow, a plain white outdoor pillow in the corner of the bench. I also put out 2 little tea lights and a coffee mug on the bench to make it look really cozy and welcoming. Sometimes we like to sit out on our front porch here and look out at the sunset because it's west facing. For the front porch, I just kept it super simple. I have this wreath that I made over the holidays, and I posted a tutorial on how I made this wreath if you're interested in making your own wreath. It was really easy. All you need to do is get some twist ties and some greenery and a wreath base, and it's still doing pretty well, so I'm gonna just leave that up. I put my boots by the front door because we're always going in and out, and I have a nice little candle holder with some fake candles. I love putting fake candles outside because whenever we have visitors coming, I always turn them on. They're battery operated, and of course I don't put them out where they can get wet. I keep them on the porch, which is under cover. So that's pretty much it. You can see I kept it really simple, very woodsy and wintry. I'm really glad I did this today. I probably would have forgotten about the front porch and just left it however it was for Christmas, but it was looking really haggard and really needed some freshening up. So I'm glad I just got my coat on and my gloves on and then just came out here and fixed it up for winter, so it looks really cozy now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how I decorate our porch for winter. If you're new to my page, make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. Every week I post new farm to table recipes and homesteading and other healthy living ideas from our homestead in Duval. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.